Welcome back, everyone. You ever get out on a lake, you go to drill a hole, and you realize that your blades are really bad and your ice auger's just jumping all over the place? Alright guys, let's test this out and see how it works. What's wrong? Well, that happened today. I was out in an area where it was really bad, and I managed to screw up my blades. They were good all year, and then I managed to mess them right up. In today's episode, I'm going to show you guys how to use the Speedy Sharp and how to fix your blades if you happen to mess them up. Stay tuned. Cold. It's like minus 20 degrees, guys. Minus probably 21, 22. So you get to a lake, you get out, and your auger's hopping all over the place, and you can't drill a hole without putting a ton of pressure on it. You shouldn't have to. You should be able to put a little bit of pressure, drill, pull the trigger, and the blades should do all the chewing down through the ice for you. Now we've got about 2 feet of ice, and my blades are extremely dull right now. I've already fixed them because I haven't used this in about a year. I just had to go through the motions of getting it right. It's actually extremely easy to use this thing, so quick as well. You might have to do a couple extra passes, but I'm just going to show you. I've got this trick. I'm just going to show you that this works, and I'll show you right now. There you go. I'm gonna get in the hut and I'm gonna quickly show you guys how to do this. It's really cold out. Okay, for demonstration purposes only, I'm only gonna take one blade off. So first off, I have the Eskimo, it's not the pistol bit, but I have the Eskimo 8-inch auger. It's just a hand auger with a drill attachment and a disc put on top of it. It's a slightly cheaper option, but very effective. It's a metal thing. I don't have to worry about too much, and yeah, I like it. It works. I've been using it for about 3 years. So this requires a 7mm socket, and we are going to take this puppy off. If I get the right way. Oh, wrong way. There we are. So here we are. You can see this right here. Okay, so you see this, you guys see this taper right here. It's got a slight taper here, and it's got an even on the right hand side. We got an even steeper taper right there. Now, the Speedy Sharp, I think it's like a $15 tool. Very inexpensive, very nice to use. But here we are. Okay, so down this nice sharp looking spot side. I'm gonna take it, follow the profile. Boom. 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 That's done. Now we're going to take it and we're going to reverse it so that we're pulling away from ourselves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Other side. 1, 2. I'm just trying to make sure I get those edges because that's what helps pilot this thing down and shave it properly. there we go. Same thing again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's see if I put this on and didn't screw it up. I don't think I did. But you were already cutting pretty good. Now to install them back on the auger. Okay, now you gotta remember the curved side. This thing is super sharp. The curved side faces up like that. Small side faces in towards, because that's kind of like your pilot hole. Just gonna put it in right here, just like that. Like that. I'm gonna do the other one. Same thing again. Now be very careful at this point, because these blades are extremely sharp, and they will mess your hand up. I'm trying to be very careful. Alright, now there's something that's been sitting right on the very bottom, and I think it's a burbot. I actually would really like it to be a burbot, because that's one of the species I was after today. Alright, here we go. Like that. Nice and tight. Well, tight-ish. There we go. And just to prove, I'm going to go out and we're going to put the I'm going to drill a hole just to show you guys. I suppose at this point it's proof in the pudding, right? Ta-da! Alright, I hope you guys find this helpful. So, it never hurts to have a spare set of blades, but at the same time, if you don't, it never hurts to have something like this in your arsenal either. Oh, it never hurts to be prepared, guys. Never. So anyway, I hope you like this. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe, drop a comment. Did you enjoy this? And we will catch you guys in the next episode of Adventure Time Fishing Hunting. Ciao.